Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to connect WordPress to GitHub. Alright, let's begin the video. To begin, log in to your WordPress account as an administrator on WordPress.com. Once logged in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and locate the Plugins option. Hover over it to reveal two choices, Add New and Installed Plugins. Click on Add New to proceed with adding a new plugin. This action will take you to a page displaying various plugins compatible with WordPress. If you don't immediately see GitHub, use the search box. Type in GitHub and press enter. You'll find several GitHub-related plugins listed. I recommend selecting GitHub Code Viewer for its comprehensive integration features. Click on the plugin, then click Install followed by Activate. After activation, you'll be redirected to the plugin settings page. Here, configure the plugin by clicking on Settings. Enter your GitHub username and personal access token to authenticate and import relevant GitHub data into WordPress. So that's basically how to connect WordPress to GitHub. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.